Ciao a tutti ragazzi, benvenuti nel mio canale Sammy Pie the New. Oggi faremo l'unboxing di due regali che ho ricevuto da due studentesse che studiano con me all'Università di Infermieristica, Università di Dundee, a Carcodi. Ed ecco qua il primo regalo. Hello baby boy, it says in the package. Right, and we've got ecco, abbiamo un mucca, no, cos'è? Che animale è? Flip and Fun, Bear loves honey, monkeys eat bananas, dogs chase balls. It's a toy, è un gioco, wow, ok? Perfetto, quindi abbiamo questo bel giochino per il bambino. Poi abbiamo un altro. Ah no, aspetta, c'è qualcos'altro. Oh, look at that. Look at. No, bello, Winnie the Pooh, fighissimo. Cazzo, mi piace più a me che a Bryan. Bryan, look at that what I've got for you. Guarda un po' Bryan, abbiamo 1 week old today, well he's past that, 4 weeks old today, 6 weeks old today. I think Bryan should be roughly here, 6 weeks old today. So for every age, month, week he is in, we've got a card. Ok guys? Capito ragazzi? Abbiamo una carta per ogni età, per ogni settimana, mese, ok? Vediamo un po', abbiamo qua Winnie the Pooh e Tigro, Winnie the Pooh and Tiger, I think it's called, l'asinello, come si chiama l'asinello? Honey spelled wrong, you know that's a thing here in Winnie the Pooh. Then we've got a card, that's nice. So what's in the card? It says Sam. There you go. And welcome to the world. Oh, beautiful. And there is tiny silver stars and a heart. It's very, very, very stylish and well made. I've never seen a card so well made with actual silvery stars and heart coming out of it, attached to it, and it says so very happy for you both on the arrival of Bryan Carl. Oh, lovely. Congratulations on your new baby boy. Love and best wishes. And I'm not gonna say the name just to protect her privacy. I mean, there's no privacy here, but thank you, my dear friend. And then what do we have? We've got another gift from another student. There you go, a nice 3 pieces set. Oh, lovely, 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 lovely. That's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that t-shirt, and they are very silky. Oh, from Next. I love Next thing. I love this shop. This franchise shop that sell good quality clothes. In my opinion, I bought a few t-shirts for me, and I love them. Okay. Quindi abbiamo questi bei vestiti comprati nella catena Next, ok, 12-18 months, that's beautiful, so he will use them later on, beautiful, ok, so we've got this little jumper, hoodie, ok, abbiamo questa felpina, ok, che è ovviamente più grande di quanto lui sia ora, ma va benissimo. Va benissimo. Well, what to say to my dearest friends? Well, thank you very much. You've been so kind, and I appreciate very much your gifts. Okay? the game, the toy, the cars, the card, which is, oh, there's no card here, right? No, I don't think so. On the clothes, I mean. Okay, so I appreciate very much your gifts, and I wish that all of us, we can become nurses soon, in a year time, hopefully in a year time, if I don't screw with this placement that is coming up, this next placements. Okay, anyway, so guys, thank you for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and also if you want to learn Italian, if there is any English listener here that want to learn Italian, that could be a new thing for me. Yeah, very easy for me to teach Italian. So okay guys, I made a big mess. Yes, and also I wish for my son Bryan Carlo to have a wonderful life, very rich, and yes, full of adventure and happiness, love, and everything that life can store for us, can give us. Okay, bye the new.